Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in this video, I'm gonna show you a food hack on how to freeze sliced bread. Let's get to it. Freezing bread is the best way to store bread. Actually, you should store it in the freezer and not the refrigerator because storing it in the refrigerator dehydrates it, it molds faster. Storing in the freezer, it'll last a really, really long time. But if you want to pull off a slice at a time, it can be a little bit annoying when all the slices are stuck together. So here's just a little food hack that I use for storing bread in the freezer. So what you wanna do is lay them down and just kind of push the stack of bread forward so they kind of fall like dominoes. So instead of being kind of tall, it's actually gonna be sort of flat and longer from being pushed forward. This way there's less contact with the bread as it freezes, so it's easier to break off those slices. Then after you do it, depends on how long you want to store the frozen bread. So if you just wrap it in plastic or foil and just put it in the freezer that way, it'll last in the freezer for about 3 weeks. But if you wrap it in plastic first and then in foil, it'll actually keep in the freezer up to 6 months. So awesome, right? This is the perfect way to store bread, especially sliced bread, so you can just pull off a piece when you need it. And when you need it, it's easy to thaw. Just throw it in the toaster, boom, that's all it really takes. You can also take the loaf out of the freezer and put it in the fridge and let it thaw overnight if you're gonna need a lot of bread, but it's super easy, saves you money, saves you time, your bread won't mold, awesome, right? So if you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. Something that you wanna see, drop a comment down below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. I'm a little high from an edible I took earlier so I could sleep. The drugs are just not left the building yet. Okay.